Hey guys, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Kind of a random stock here. I'm not looking at Apple or Amazon or whatever. I don't think either one of those stocks is going to be worth much tomorrow. I could be wrong. Got to say that. I could be wrong, but they're both kind of stuck in congestion, and they're going to be, here's what I think is the deal. Both of them kind of missed earnings. Revenues guided lower, stuff like that. So there's no reason to be jumping for joy, but they are Apple and Amazon, the two big A's, right? And so I think you're going to get some support under there just because, Apple and Amazon, hey, you want to own those on dips, not like Faceplant, or maybe, I don't know, it's Meta now. Don't even get me started. No matter what, it's still Zuckerberg. And as long as it's Zuckerberg, they can call it heaven if they want. But that's a place that I ain't going to go. So anyway, I'm done editorializing. So here, I just want to mention ZIM here. They report earnings in the middle of next month, so there's plenty of time for this thing to go. My bet is that if this thing breaks above $50, it could, this could run to 55 certainly, and probably to 60, and that's at least 15%. So I'm looking at this stock as one that, could be, could be ready to roll. What I would suggest doing is set yourself an alert. I like to put alerts a little because you got to think about it. I like to put them a little bit below where a breakout level would be or where resistance level is. And here on the 26th, the high was 51.88. So I would put an alert at $51. And the reason is because then if it gets hit, I'm going to have a chance to look at the stock and then decide whether I want to buy it or not. So I'm going to go ahead and set an alert. Members, you'll get this. I'm going to set an alert here at $51. If the stock breaks out above that, then what you want to be doing is looking at the stock and making a decision whether you think this breakout is going to continue to go. It's got to get above and stay above the 50-day moving average. Obviously, if it doesn't do that, don't sit here and hold the stock and say, well, I'm just going to wait and I'm going to be patient till it breaks out. I'm sure there's people that bought at 60 waiting for 80 and they're still being patient when the stock fell 30%. You wait for your entry, wait for the right time, and that is when you start making money on this stock. So anyway, okay, that's all I got for you. If you haven't tried Stock Market Mentor, guys, it's a good time to be in there, okay? All right, I'll see y'all later. Have a good evening.